Toilet paper is an everyday essential in every home. It's more important than you think. There was even a time when toilet paper was completely out of stock everywhere. Behind every roll is a modern automated process. But how exactly is it made? Let's figure it out. How toilet paper are produced. Step 1. Preparing materials. The main materials for toilet paper are waste paper, leaves, and softwood. The factory sorts them, removes impurities, then sends them to the next stage. Step 2. Pulping and bleaching. First, the waste paper is fed into a pulping tank that's ready and waiting. Here, they'll rest for 30 minutes to soften, making them easier to pulp. Then, the pulping blades slowly lower into the tank to start shredding the paper. The pulping machine stirs continuously, breaking down the scraps into a soft pulp mixture. Now the mixture has fully dissolved in the water, ready for the next process. But before that, lignin powder is added to help the mixture thicken and bind together. How to build the paper pulping machine. Number 1. Build the main frame. First, I'll build 2 support legs. Add the battery box. Number 2. Build the sliding module. Add the gears. Add the motor. Now add the sliding module to the main frame. Testing. The sliding module will lift up and down along the 2 support legs. Number 3. Build the pulping mechanism. The pulping mechanism is all set. Now attach the pulping mechanism to the main frame. Testing. As you can see, the green chemical added to the water has completely dissolved. Now, this pulping head will be replaced by the forming head. Step 3. Forming the sheet. How to build the paper sheet forming machine. The mesh. First, I'll need to build the forming frame. The hook. I will reuse the frame of pulping machine and this water tray, and replace the pulping head with this forming head. Testing. Here, the pulp mixture will be lifted onto the frame many times to drain water. Then, the sheet will be moved to the drying area. Step 4. Drying the paper. This area is equipped with high-powered heating lamps. Under intense heat, the wet sheets quickly evaporate moisture and dry. All the sheets are dry now. Let's move on to the next step. Step 5. Pressing the paper. At this stage, the dried sheets enter a pressing machine. They are pressed into a thinner, flatter, and especially long continuous strip. Step 6. Reeling the paper. The paper strip is now smoothly rolled onto a large spool. Then, this big roll will be transported to another area to be cut into smaller ones. Step 7. Packaging. In this final stage, standard-sized paper rolls are transported to the packing area for final packaging. At last, they are transported to consumers in various packaging forms, from small packs to large boxes. The paper rolls are displayed on shelves everywhere, ready to meet all your daily needs. From wiping your face and hands to napkins used in restaurants.